Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a video about my vinyl leggings. Now, I've actually just filmed the video and I've now just realised that it wasn't actually filming. So I need some water because I'm really stressed out. So I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today I'm going to do a video about my vinyl leggings, as I've told you before. I absolutely love vinyl leggings. I actually got the inspiration from HRH Collection. She's an amazing YouTuber on YouTube, obviously, and she has Instagram and Twitter, and she's wearing these leggings, and I just thought I have to have them because they're so cool. So before I talk about my vinyl leggings, honestly, they're just to die for. I cannot wait to show you them. I'm just going to talk to you about what I'm wearing on my face. You know, I like to do this. So my hair I've actually done myself, and I'm really pleased with how it's come out because I love these kind of, you know, when you go to the salon, it looks really professional and that salon quality. And it looks like that again. I've just curled these bits under and it just gives such a sophisticated look. I'm really quite obsessed actually. Then I've curled slightly the hair too. I mean, it's still keeping such amazing colour. I am toning it every so often, kind of a ashy grey colour. On my face, I'm wearing the Jewel palette by Morphe. Sorry, my ring light keeps moving. And I have got Purple Rain on, and I just love, love, love them. So I'm wearing the Purple Rain eyeshadow from the Morphe palette on my eyes, and honestly, it's such an amazing kind of metallic colour, and it's very, very subtle. I've not actually been into kind of makeup lately. Well, I have, but since I've had my eyelashes done, and now I actually do them myself, because I'm not paying £40 for eyelashes when you can do them yourself. And I think they look rather good, to be honest. So since I've had my eyelashes done, I don't really need to kind of put kind of dark colours on my eyes. I don't feel the need to, because the lashes kind of give a dramatic effect as it is. So I've been wearing literally no eyeshadow all week. This is the first time I'm wearing eyeshadow. And I thought I'd go for something kind of metallic and you know, soft. And I really, really like the look. On my cheeks, the Ofra by Nikki Tutorials, and I've actually smashed the fuck out of it because I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I've hit pan already. And I use the bronze on my cheeks because... Got better. Okay. I think my face looks huge. I use the bronzer, not the bronzer, the darker shade on my cheeks, so it creates kind of a bronze look, and I love it. I absolutely love it. This is hands down the best highlighter I've used in a long time. And I use the kind of opal kind of shade, the kind of icy frost as well, mixed with the kind of, it's like caramel kind of highlighter, and it just gives me such an amazing look, such a glowy look, which I absolutely love. My lips I've actually had done again, so the fourth time, and I'm not going to do another video because I think you probably got fed up of seeing my videos about my lips. But since I've had them done now, I really don't wear lip liners or lip pencils or lipsticks, because I've figured out if you've got amazing lips... Sorry, I've just got a notification. It's always the same when you video. When you're filming, you get thousands of notifications. Everyone rings you. Your mother rings you. Oh, it's so annoying. So yeah, when you've got amazing lips, so, you know, when you found the shape and you like it, I think the best thing you can do is wear just a gloss to accentuate the shape. You don't really need to stick lots and lots of lipstick on. And I was doing that. I was making that mistake because I wasn't truly happy with how they looked, really, because half the time it was the swelling. But now that I'm actually obsessed with how they look, and I think, you know, they're in proportion, the bottom's just slightly bigger, they just look amazing. I think a gloss is just the way forward. So I've been wearing a gloss literally all week, and I just completely love them. I'm obsessed with them. So I'm wearing the NYC lip gloss here, and it's, I don't know what shade it is, but it's kind of a reddy colour, and I really, really like it. It makes your lips look really glossy and wet and really amazing. And then I'm wearing the Rimmel eye pencil in dark brown. It's just a pencil because the products I've been wearing before, they were just very, my brows look very fluffy and, you know, soft. And I want kind of more dramatic eye look. So kind of a dark look, because I go from phases to phases with kind of what I like. So I like kind of dark eyebrows. So I'm wearing that on my eyes, and I've kind of, you know, because I've actually plucked the shit out of my eyebrows lately, so they need to grow back, so I'm not happy about that. On my wrist, I'm wearing the Mignon bracelet by HRH. I've not worn this in such a long time. My nails are exactly the same. They've held up pretty well, to be honest. It's the second week now. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. Yeah, my hair I've curled myself. I don't really want to... There we go. Can you... Oh, God, that looks hideous. And I'm not wearing any chokers or anything. I've taken them off because they just looked crap. They were wearing off. They weren't amazing. I mean, I'm going to get, for my birthday, which, sorry, the ring light keeps moving again. Keep tapping it with my hands. For my birthday, which is next month, I'll be 28. Oh, my God. So 2 years and I'll be 30. I'm going to just get some nice, amazing jewellery from HRH Collections. Some nice 14K gold jewellery. I'm actually wearing my bubble heart hoop earrings today. And I'm just going to, you know, invest in some nice, amazing jewellery, because what I've been buying is just tends to be a load of old tat. And a lot of people advertise as real gold or solid sterling silver, and it's not. And it makes your neck green. So I'm not about that. And I kind of like having nothing on my neck. It kind of elongates my neck, and it's just a nice break. So yeah, I've been going quite natural, which is strange considering I've had lip fillers and Botox. And my Botox is doing really well. Still got that persistent line. I don't know what to do with it. I might just get a knife and just carve it out, because it's just so stubborn. But apart from that, I'm really loving how I'm looking at the minute. Yeah, love my hair. The best thing I've ever done was go to my hairdresser. She's done such an amazing job on my hair. I look back at videos now and it was like frizzled up to here, and oh God, you've got to understand it was a process. I couldn't really bleach my hair or do much because it was growing out. So take that in consideration when you're looking back at my videos. So yeah, I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Yeah, we're into February already now, and can you believe it? Like, Valentine's Day was actually last week, and my boyfriend got me some amazing flowers and an amazing card and this amazing little kind of gadget that charges your iPhone. I'll just show you it now, actually. This is the gadget, and you just literally put your iPhone on here and it charges, and I just think it's so cool. And it's white, obviously, and he knows I absolutely adore white. So yeah, he's done well this year. Had an amazing day, gonna have an amazing weekend, a Valentine's Day weekend. Have you had an amazing Valentine's Day weekend? I know people go on about Valentine's, and I do think it's overrated. You don't need one day. You don't have to, you know, use the one day to prove to someone that you love them. You know what I mean? You should love someone every day. You shouldn't have to just do something, you know, buy them something to show that you love someone just one day a year. I mean, you should, you know, like I said, show love every day of the year, you know. But I get it that it's commercialised, and, you know, people always kind of want to make money out of an event like they do with Christmas. Easter is very commercialised. But it's kind of nice that you can, you know, you can take time out of your busy kind of schedules and do something together. So I think that's what the day's for, really. So, enough of me blabbing. So I'm now going to back up and show you the vinyl leggings. And I really hope you enjoy the video. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I think they look so good. They kind of remind me of like a licorice all sorts kind of look. Just kind of, oh, I love them. I can't wait to wear them with some nice boots and a cute little top. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So here are the leggings, guys. And I mean, fucking amazing they look. They're just like a licorice all sorts, kind of a plastic kind of clear gloss. I don't know. They're just so hot. And I'm going to show you them with some high heels too, just so you can see the full effect. These are the leggings with the, now this is a PVC / vinyl kind of vomit, isn't it? I mean, look how fucking sick these leggings look. My shoes, these are some black PVC shoes. As you can see, and Can you hear the squelching? They're just, oh my God. I absolutely cannot get enough of these. It's very PVC, very kind of, I don't know. I'm just going to put this jacket on just to see. These leggings are, I cannot wait to wear these out. Now these leggings are actually from eBay and they fit really well. They have like an elasticated waist, which is kind of a different material than these. I'm just totally in love. So hot. And I think with these shoes, it just gives such a dramatic look. So in love. And I'm just gonna, there we go. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I absolutely love these leggings. I'm so happy to have them. Can't wait to wear them with lots of outfits. Can't wait to take lots of Instagram pictures. Oh, just so happy. They're just photographed so well. As you can see, they're just so sexy, so wet looking and really stylish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Please turn on the notification bell to be notified when I next upload. Have an amazing day, weekend, or whatever day is when you're watching this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I always tilt my head to the side. Have you noticed that?